Are we doing the normal?
Yeah.
The bald fade?
Yeah.
Did you want the part again?
No.
No part? We're just sweeping everything to the side? Do you want any length off the top?
Just a tiny bit. I still like it a little longer.
Okay. So this is my 2-guard, detachable. I'm just kind of debulking right now so I can see what I'm doing. How's school going? You got another girlfriend yet?
No.
So, how'd your dad find out about everything? He just wasn't feeling good and just got checked?
No, he took the same heart medication he was prescribed. Like, it was supposed to calm his heart rate down and all that.
Yeah.
It's like, he has an AFFILATE. And, like, it just did not make him feel well. Like, my mom thought he was having a stroke earlier in the day and all that stuff.
Man.
Yeah. He was on the verge of passing out a lot of times. So, he's got bad again during the night time, so mom decided to take him to the hospital.
Well, at least now he kind of figured it out.
At least he's able to get treated and all that stuff, figure out what's happening.
Exactly. You figure out what college you want to go to or anything? USF?
Yeah.
Do you know what you want to go for?
Nursing still.
I'm sorry?
Nursing still.
Nursing?
Yeah.
That'd be good, dude. Make some good money that way.
I just like to specialize into like anesthetics and become a CRNA.
Yeah.
You can make up to it's like 200 to 300 grand, but you don't even have to go to school.
Oh, nice. That'd be good.
Look like it.
All right, so obviously I balded him out. Now we're gonna start blending. I blend up. I'm gonna do no guard, open. And we're gonna set in our first guideline. So when I fade, I like to spread the blend out instead of condensing it all. And then I'll go ahead and knock this line out while I'm here. What you got going for spring break?
Nothing. We're just hanging out with a couple of friends. Just hanging out with my mom's family too.
Yeah. You still like that computer, dude?
Yeah, it's such a nice laptop.
That thing's sweet, right?
Yeah.
I love my MacBook. The Pro.
Just overall great laptop.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna use the 1-guard. Same thing. Start with lever open. Sorry. So here, when you're doing it, you don't want to kind of like dig in. You want to just come off the head. Go straight off the head. Because that 2-guard metal blade that we use to debulk, this should almost blend right into it. Then what we'll do is we'll close it and we'll soften this line here. Now I'm gonna take my 1.5 and we're just gonna clean up around the crown area. And again, you wanna go straight off the head, don't dig in. And all this weight here will go back through with shear over comb. And now we work our way down. 1-guard open, kind of use your corners, Clean any lines up you might see. And then we're gonna use the wall half guard. And that's gonna take this last line out. You wanna use your corners while you do this. And then just kind of play with the lever as you go. And this should basically bring the fade together. We might have to go in and touch it up here and there. And then always make sure you look in the mirror and double check. Chin up for me a little bit, right there. Go in and touch things up. You still famous on TikTok, dude?
I haven't used TikTok in a solid bit.
Don't lie.
Well, like, I watch videos, I haven't made any content.
How many followers you got on TikTok? 3,000?
Probably not big anymore.
Well, it actually got me going as well.
All right, so basically that's the blend. And you see how I kind of stretched it out. Now all this will go back here in a minute and we're gonna blend that in. I'm gonna do the same steps I just did on the other side.
See, with stuff like that, man, people think it's just, well, like, a lot of people don't understand. Stuff like this is going on. It's not done just there, you know what I'm saying?
They what?
They pay percentage index and all that.
Oh wow.
Oh, expensive.
Yeah, but that's not even the greatest, to be honest with you. Like you can buy DaVinci Resolve's program and get everything for 300 bucks. And you get it for life. It's not,
That's not bad at all.
no, it's not like a monthly subscription.
One time, like, they make you pay, like, monthly or yearly.
Yeah, like Adobe does that.
Y'all touch the pops?
Probably get annoying off of Twitch.
Yeah, it's good, man. I mean, you can do it.
I know I can.
Well, you gotta stay consistent. And that's probably the toughest part.
People like, they don't seem to be
What's that?
People don't know how to follow consistency that much.
Yeah. Well, I struggle with it with these videos. You know, trying to stay consistent on making content. Sometimes I just get so busy because I try to make these videos during a work day.
But I had heard that from friends of, like, around me, soccer players, you know what I'm saying, everybody.
All right, we're gonna clean up the top now. Chin up for me a little bit. You still pushing it all to the side, right?
Somewhat, yeah.
You still want me to edge the front for you so it don't look?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's been doing like a messier look.
Yeah, okay. So on the top, he just wants kind of a trim. So we're just gonna go in and take a little bit off. Make sure everything's even.
It's sad that they don't get it.
Exactly. So, because they're so young, they're so stupid. Now, that's the thing, like weapons and stuff, I know kids that have grown up, they were kids to me, you know what I'm saying? Now they're teenagers, but they're kids, 16, 17-year-olds. I know a couple that have ARs, a couple of them have AKs, a couple, like, you're 15-year-old, the hell you doing?
So this is here. Turn your head a little bit this way. On the side here, with all that weight, you know, we're gonna blend it. So you want to take your finger and go vertically, and then you want to get rid of all that hair. Then we just kind of blend it in. So you have your guideline here and a guideline here, and you want to get rid of all this. Now we're going to do a shear over comb.
Their family are going to do go buy Gucci, go buy Louis, go buy Prada. Because they're already paid. No, I just don't know that, man. They'll wear it, yeah, they have all that sponsorship. It's like a sponsorship.
Sure, that was the same way when we were kids. We were growing up. We had things out.
That's why I look up to other people. Because success, not people.
So this side's going to be a little tricky. Turn your head a little bit this way. Because he doesn't part it or anything, so we got to blend this in without it looking too short. So what I like to do is kind of make a part there and comb it over and kind of do the same thing. Place your fingers vertically and trim that weight off. Chin up for me a little bit. And we'll go on with shear over comb. You like the dry look in your hair, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna style it. He likes the dry look, so his hair's a little damp, but I'm gonna put a little product in it now and then blow dry it. So I like to style it before I do his front edge, just so it gets the hair out of the way. And he likes the messy look, so we don't necessarily have to make it look all pretty and get weight or anything. Just trying to get it dry right now. And then we'll go in with our fingers and let me know if this gets too hot, okay? Alright, we're going to do his edge real quick. Chin up for me. No, his edge doesn't have to be perfectly crispy and all that. We're just cleaning him up.
What's up, bro? What's happening?
I just walked from all the way down there, my bad.
118. What you have? 1 o'clock? What are you gonna get? Spades. You're gonna have to wait a little bit. You're running late. You know, show me on Saturday too, right? Was you? You have to put me on too.
Chin up for me a little bit. I'm gonna use this comb because it basically mimics the fingers, and we're just gonna kind of get it messy. Still got some weight up in there.
You